Real Estate Special News, March 31, 2025, Chennai Focus, sponsored by VSK Business Consultants. For informational purposes only, the Indian real estate market grapples with a complex slowdown, with Chennai facing acute liquidity pressures for urgent sellers and a widening price gap between seller expectations and buyer offers, particularly from NRI and local investors. This news is provided for informational and knowledge purposes only. It does not constitute real estate advice or financial guidance. Readers are strongly advised to conduct their own independent research and consult with qualified professionals before making any real estate or financial decisions. The first quarter of 2025 has revealed a challenging landscape for the Indian real estate sector, characterized by a noticeable deceleration in residential property sales. This slowdown, attributed to escalating property valuations and persistent economic uncertainties, is not uniformly distributed across the nation. Chennai, in particular, is grappling with a confluence of factors that are exacerbating the market downturn. VSK Business Consultants, a leading advisory firm specializing in real estate investment and market analysis, highlights the critical liquidity challenges faced by urgent property sellers in Chennai. The firm's market research indicates a significant reduction in transaction volumes, compounded by a substantial disparity between seller expectations and buyer offers. This price gap is particularly pronounced among NRI and local investors, who, despite being a targeted demographic, are exhibiting a cautious approach and offering significantly lower prices. The current market dynamics in Chennai present a unique set of challenges, states a spokesperson from VSK Business Consultants. Sellers requiring immediate cash liquidity are facing considerable difficulties in finding buyers willing to meet their price expectations. Conversely, buyers are leveraging the market slowdown to negotiate favorable deals, further widening the price gap. Beyond the price discrepancy, Chennai's market is experiencing a confluence of factors, including cautious buyer sentiment, potential local economic pressures, and difficulties in securing loans, all contributing to reduced transaction volumes. VSK Business Consultants emphasizes the importance of understanding these localized dynamics to navigate the current market effectively. Nationally, developers and sellers are adapting to the sluggish market by strategically targeting NRI and financially stable local buyers. However, the price gap between seller expectations and buyer offers, particularly from these targeted demographics, presents a significant challenge in Chennai. VSK Business Consultants advises sellers to adopt a flexible pricing strategy and consider alternative financing options to bridge this gap. Financial considerations, such as tax implications, remain crucial in transaction timing. Sellers are carefully evaluating the advantages of deferring capital gains tax liability by finalizing property sales after the commencement of the new financial year on April 1, 2025. VSK Business Consultants recommend seeking professional financial advice to optimize transaction timing and minimize tax burdens. The Indian real estate market's heterogeneity underscores the localized impact of market downturns. While the national trend indicates a slowdown, Chennai's unique combination of liquidity pressures, price discrepancies, and buyer hesitancy presents a complex and challenging scenario for the local market. VSK Business Consultants stresses the importance of localized market knowledge and professional advice in these current market conditions. Stay informed and connected with VSK Business Consultants. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, WhatsApp follow channel. Like us on Facebook, VSK Business Consultant. Follow us on Instagram, VSK Business Consultant. Trust VSK Business Consultant for expert insights and analysis. Again, please remember this real estate news is provided for informational and knowledge purposes only. It does not constitute real estate advice or financial guidance. Readers are strongly advised to conduct their own independent research and consult with qualified professionals before making any real estate or financial decisions.